Hi! In front of me is MOTOROLA Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Finally, you can click on Got It and choose those three lines at the bottom right corner. Over here, tap on Settings. Now choose I accept in this pop-up in order to continue and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and then bottom one again. This time you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and pick one of those options. I will go with home screen only. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!